Welcome to another video. This video is about Unreal Engine 5.8 preview sandboxed. So it's going to be a quick video. So you're going to go to edit plugins. You just enable this plugin, right? Sandbox editing. You can just type in sandbox, it will show up. Enable that, restart the engine. Then you go to window, sandboxes, right? And you create a new sandbox. Let's do test 1. All right, now I'm going to make some changes. So let's see what other changes it detects. I'm going to create a new blueprint class actor, right? So nothing shows up. If I save it, it's going to show up here. I'm going to create a new NM blueprint anything. Right, now let's save it. It's going to show up here. There you go. So these are the two new edition, right? I can add any more files. It will all show up here. Let's try something. This is a pre-existing actor. Now what happens if I make changes to this? If I make changes to this, let's say I added a print string, compile, save. It does show up here, right? Now okay, now everything's same. So these two are the new actors, and this is the I just added a print string to it, and all of them are showing up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this button. It says leave the current sandbox. You are able to leave a sandbox containing changes. Do you want to persist these changes? Now if you want to keep these changes, you say yes. But let's say I don't want to keep the changes, and I want to see what are the changes stays and not. Okay, let's say I do no, and there you go. As you can see, the new actors disappeared, and I am just curious if this changes. So it seems like if you make edit to the actors, it stays. So only if you add a new file or new actors or new components or anything new, you'll be able to undo it. So pretty much, yeah, that's a cool feature. You know, if you want to do experiment, you could do the same thing with Git, but I think Git requires a lot of work, and also you have to restart the engine. You have to restart the editor. But using Sandbox, you don't have to restart the editor.